Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to install Bluetooth driver on your Windows 8, 7 or 10. So firstly, if you are using Dell, Lenovo or any company, so search that company like Dell.com, and in this support option click on support home. Now type Bluetooth Windows 7, 8 or 10 like Bluetooth driver for Dell Windows 8 64. Now here you will see a list of driver. Try one by one any driver which is perfect for you. Like we will download this one. So here you will see update, date, driver ID, size, format. So to download, click on this link. And here is the option download. And after download, install this Bluetooth driver to your PC. And also it's the best download and install support assist, so it will detect some feature and some program which is not working on your Dell PC or laptop. So download assist and install and turn on your PC. And another way, directly you type here in Google your company name like Dell Bluetooth driver, Windows 10, 7 or 11. So type here your company name and you will find a best and latest driver for your PC. So try it. Hopefully you like this video, and by these simple steps you can know how to install Bluetooth on Windows. Thanks for watching.